You're an idiot. How could you do something like that to me?
I haven't done anything to you. I was just afraid you'd replace me. That's why I felt the urge to hit you.
I'd better leave here.
No, please don't go. I didn't want it to end like this.
I've had bad luck in love, I don't know why. If the birds light my way from the sky, the blonde on the corner drives me crazy. The birds don't help me at all, but I hope you eventually find the right person. Birds asleep are falling from the sky. Haven't spoken to me again, and I don't know why. The blonde stopped following me and stopped stalking me. You got me. Ooh, you got me. Ooh, you got me. Stop being a stalker for a while. I cried when the birds stopped singing. I felt guilty about something that wasn't mine. Don't mind. Birds asleep are falling from the sky. I cried when I found out that her heart went to someone else who isn't mine. It's none of my business, but I just want to be